broccoli and zucchini. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome back to Beautiful Shine TV. If today is the first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more videos, and press the notification to see more of this. My return is thank you, and God bless you for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate you all. Today's video we are going to be making broccoli with tagliatelle. So now I have to show you all the things I'm going to see. Just a small recipe, and it's a very easy as that. 15 minutes is done. So first thing I have to show you, I have my broccoli here, my fresh pepper. I use half of it because I wouldn't like the pepper to be too much. I have my 2 onions, I sliced it already, my chicken maggi, my gamberry, which is spinach, and I have some melusa here. I have my zucchini, here the liver. I have my tagliatelle and my salt, of course. Okay, as you can see now, my pot is here. Oil, my olive oil is inside already. Now the first thing I'm have to put inside, I will put salt first thing. Now I will add the onions and fresh pepper. Let the onions steam a little bit before I will add my zucchini. It's a very healthy meal. We all know that broccoli and zucchini is very nice and healthy. Feel free to use any one of your choice. If you feel like to add anything you want more, you can add. This is how I love eating my own in another way, because last time I also make zucchini and pasta. Today we are making zucchini and tagliatelle. Now I'm adding my zucchini. So I will add my zucchini, then I will add my broccoli, then I will add my spinach and my melusa. The next thing I will add in now is maggi. My broccoli is almost ready, and here I have my pot for water for tagliatelle. Now I'll be adding my tagliatelle inside. I had my oil already inside the water. Why I'm adding? Some people will ask, why is she adding oil? I had oil because I don't want the tagliatelle to gum together. I don't want to be still, so I just want it to be separate. That is why I'm adding that oil, to make it separate. So now I will be adding it. So this is the one I left. I will not use everything at once. So I have to turn it now. You will see that when it's done, you will see that everything will be separate just because of that oil. Because a lot of people wonder why when they cook the pasta or they cook indomie or anything at all like pasta is gummy together, is because you are not adding oil. So watch this video and see how I make mine, and you can also try this way. Anytime you are cooking pasta or ravioli or anything, you have to add oil to make it separate for the pasta not to come together. Like this tagliatelle now, you will see when it's ready, everything will break and separate. That is why I'm adding that oil. I just want you to know why I am adding that oil. This tagliatelle will be ready at least 5 minutes. It's not taking time. 5 minutes is ready. My tagliatelle is almost ready. Very soon I will be removing it. I'm cooking it for 5 minutes. Feel free to cook yours for more than that or less than that. I just want it to be not too much done, at least half done. That is the way I want it. Feel free to make yours in your choice. Okay, now I'm filtering it, so I will be adding it in the pot now. I have to mix everything thoroughly so that the taste will combine together. And mix everything combine. Make sure everything combines together. Voila, guys, this food, oh my god, I just taste it. If you eat this food, you will not like to eat other food again. This food is so delicious, so rich and delicious, guys. My food is ready. Join me, guys. Join me to eat this delicious food, and thank you for joining me for today's video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as I said earlier. Press the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for joining me, and see you for my next video. Bye bye.